Hey guys, Courtney here. It's Friday. I'm just trying to edit the videos from last night that were supposed to go up last night, but video editing is a lot more complicated than I had anticipated. Go figure. So I'm right now in the middle of the pupperoos fighting and playing, but trying to edit the videos from yesterday. And then hopefully tonight I'll be doing some Christmassy things and that video will be up as well. So you might get 2 in one day. Ooh. But yeah, so I'm going to get back to editing and hopefully I'll see you guys later. So this is Ella. Ella, say hi.
Hi.
This is Gregor's. Oh, kid cuisine. We're getting fancy. And this little one is Jennifer. So Jan and Greg. And that's Ella again. Okay, there's Luke trying to eat their food. What a surprise. He's a savage. That's not yours,
Jan
bud.
said no, Luke.
Yeah, maybe you can, and then put it on. Did we do it right? Why is it not? Okay, maybe it just leans in a little bit.
So maybe.
It's good.
Good?
I think. I can't wait to eat the icing.
Is that your favorite part too?
I just want to eat all the candy.
Don't eat it now, or you'll eat all of them, and we won't have any candy left to direct our house.
Alright.
Now it's time for the top.
The
Cool.
roofs, they're going to be
Here's
challenging.
Here's one
So,
house.
should I?
Yeah. Yeah. Make
Yeah,
sure.
brah.
This is real legit, isn't it, Ella?
No.
No. Do you not?
Yeah, definitely use a lot of icing. Careful with the camera, Ella.
Okay. I'll be the director.
If you break it, then
You buy it.
Yeah.
Literally. We're going to have to sell you.
Really?
Yeah. So you end the pups.
Yeah.
You don't want to see the pups get sold, do you?
That's how much the camera costs.
Ooh.
I need to
Oh,
wipe my nose.
Here.
Oh.
Is it recording? This camera is really sweet, though. I'm just saying. It
It
is.
does lots of things that I don't even know.
Oh, it's turning on.
My mom's camera takes pictures all by itself.
Really? Like a ghost camera?
All right,
Yeah,
put the
kind of
roof
like
on. Don't mess up.
What happens if I mess up?
Then we're going to have to sell you.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You're
Maybe
selling-
we'll just sell your
Oh.
finger. Just one finger.
Really? What about that? It's falling apart.
Wow!
Oh!
Hold on!
It's not.
get Janet all confused. I feel like an old lady. Jan, here's the kitty mold. And this is our pet shop. And we're gonna make a purple kitty.
What's the kitty's name?
Here she is, Sophie.
Hi, Sophie.
Let's see if we can get this excess.
Did Sophie lose an ear? No, she still has both her ears.
Yeah. There we go. This is the bunny and the Play-Doh set, and then you put the Play-Doh in.
Saturday morning snuggles. My Kluxie. Oh, and then here comes Princess Ray. Oh, it's a fight over the snuggles. Oh, jeez, oh my gosh. Oh, poor Kluxie. Princess is just loving my neck right now. This is what she does. She likes to lick your neck and your ears and your toes. Princess. Crazy. Well, we were peacefully snuggling, but I think this is an indication that it's time for me to get up. I'm gonna go to the gym and then come back and get ready for a ladies' holiday party that I'm going to go to this afternoon, and then maybe some shopping. Maybe I'll make some dinner. The rest of the evening is a mystery. We'll see how it unfolds. But the day is definitely going to start with the gym because I ate too much mac and cheese yesterday. So I'm heading to the gym, and I just made my protein shake in here with this Bagel One all-in-one nutritional shake. It's plant-based, it has a bunch of protein, it has greens, vitamins, fiber, all that good stuff. So I really like, when I'm drinking a protein shake, I really like one that's like a complete meal more so than just like a bunch of whey protein. So, I mean, I'm not a protein aficionado, so I don't really know, but I like this one. It definitely tastes like there's green stuff in it, but it's still pretty good. If you guys have any suggestions on a good protein powder, I would love to hear that. Hey guys, so I just pulled up to my house from the gym. I got a nice little workout in, and then I headed to Starbucks and I got myself one of these. This is, I don't know, the pink drink, I think is what they call it. It's just strawberry acai refresher with coconut milk, and it's literally the only thing I drink from Starbucks. I saw it on an Instagram post over the summer, and while the fad died for everyone else, it has not died for me because it is December and that is still all I drink. I try to stay away from too much caffeine because I'm up for like days if I drink too much. So I got Charlie one of these cold brews, and I definitely won't be drinking any of this because it would not be good for me. So right now I'm just going to go inside and get ready and head to this holiday party and then see where the rest of the day takes me. My pink drink is a pink drink no more. I spilled it, dropped it, knocked it off the table. Not even a sip. I didn't even get a sip. Let's all take a moment of silence and mourn for the pink drink. So I just finished getting ready for my ladies' holiday party. I have on my nifty, ugly Christmas sweater. Don't know if you guys can see it. Check it out. I love ugly Christmas sweaters. The party I'm going to isn't an ugly Christmas sweater party in particular, but I love this one and I love any excuse to wear one. So I'm gonna go head over to that and hang out there for a little bit and then see where the day takes me. So that is where I'm headed, and I think then I might just have a cozy night in, maybe finish decorating the tree, hang out with the pups, watch a movie, really low-key, something like that, but we shall see. But hopefully this mall adventure is a success. See you guys later. Just got back from the mall recently. I'm definitely going to just stay in tonight, relax, hang out with the pups, maybe do some homework and get some video editing done and post today's video. I did get these really cool little, what are they called, micro LED lights in candlelight glow. I got these from Nordstrom. They had them just in like the main section of the store when you first walk in, and they had a different color with silver wire. But I bought these to put on our shelves. I thought they'd be festive for the holidays. And I got 2 boxes. They run off of batteries, 3 AA batteries each. All I had was 3 AA batteries, so just 1 strand got put up today. So let me show you those. So this is the first shelf with the first strand of lights. I thought it looked super cute. That second shelf, look at the sad shelf. It's a sad shelf because it doesn't have lights. This is a happy shelf because it has lights. So tomorrow this one will be a happy shelf. But it was really easy. They just, it's on a really thin wire so you could bend them really easily. And then I just hid the little battery pack behind this vase. But they were really easy, and the box says that the timer function works 6 hours on and 18 hours off. So we'll see how long they last and see how that goes. But tomorrow, this one will get some light. So yeah, I'm just really gonna hang out and call it a night and just relax. And tomorrow we have brunch. So I'll see you guys later. Snuggles with the princess. Snuggles with the princess. Oh, here comes Gluxy. He has to get in on the snuggles too. Saturday night in with these two. Yeah. Yeah. What you doing, crazy princess? Hey guys, also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that way you can see the rest of my videos for Vlogmas. And in the comment section below, feel free to leave any suggestions or any things you want to see in upcoming videos. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.